Hello friends, welcome back to our math channel, Math Bridges. In today's video, let us learn few Vedic math tricks. We'll multiply the teens numbers. Multiplying numbers from 11 to 19 in fraction of seconds, you can multiply and get the answer. Let's see how to do the Vedic math trick. Multiplying teens numbers by teens in a super fast way. What are these teens? Teen numbers. The numbers which start from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you can observe here when we are pronouncing that numbers, they are teen, 13, 17, 18. So these numbers are known as teen numbers. Here we will include 11 and 12 also. They are not teen numbers, but still we include that numbers and will multiply these 2-digit teen numbers with 2-digit teen numbers in a very super fast way. Let's start. It's a case 1. Let's see one example. 13 into 12. We'll do it only in 2 steps, very easy way. 13 into 12. You just remember plus and into. 2 operations we'll be using over here. The first step, 13. I have given a yellow color arrow mark, 13. I've circled 2. So first step, you add 13 and 2. So it is 15. You write it 15 towards your left hand side. First step. And the next step, multiply 3 and 2. 3 2s are, it is 6. So our answer is 156. Don't you think it's so easy? Let's see one more example now. 14 into 12. So remember, plus and then multiplication into. First step, 14. And this one, plus 2 we are going to do. So 14 plus 2 is how much now? 16. Write it towards your left hand side. 16. Now, second step. You multiply 4 into 2 here. So 4 2s are, it is 8. So the product of 14 and 12 is 168. So easy, right? Let's see one more example. 11 into 18. We'll be writing vertically 11 into 18. The first step, we'll be adding. The circle number is 8. So 11 plus 8 we are doing. And we'll be getting it to be as 19. And the next step is 1 into 8. It is 8. So the answer is 198. 11 into 18 is 198. In our previous video, we have seen Vedic math trick with 11. You can follow this method also here. Like if you are taking 18, 1 and 8 you can write. And 1 plus 8 is 9, which you can write it in the center. So 198 will be the answer. Now, this is case 2. Here there is a little variation will be there. Let's observe what it is. It's very easy. 15 into 17. Same method we are following. We will write 15 into 17 first. So first is plus and then we are doing into. So 15 plus 7. The circle 1 7 we are doing. So how much is 15 plus 7? It is 22. Now second step. In order to get the second step, I am giving one small partition, one line, so that you can understand better. So next step, 5 into 7, it is 35. Now, and the next final step is, what we have to do is 3 plus 22, we have to do this. 22, the green color one, and here towards your right hand side, you should have only one digit. So 22 plus 3 is 25 and we will write 5 as it is. The ones place 1. So 255 is the answer. 15 into 17 is 255. It's easy, right? Now one more example. 14 into 16. You observe here we are taking 14, 16, teen numbers. 14 into 16. First step, plus 14 plus 6, it is 20. A small partition to write the next step. So next is 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24 we will write. But as per the rule, in the ones place we should have only one number over here. Near 2 and 4, only one number. So this 20 plus 2 will be doing now. It is 22. We are writing it as 22 and 4 as it is we will write. So the product of 14 and 16 is 224. Now let's check with 18 into 15. First step, 18 plus 5, 23. Partition. Now 8 into 5, it is 40. So as usual, now 23 plus 4 we will be doing, it is 27 and 0 as it is we will write. See, we are following here vertical method of multiplication. Now let us see the same one in an horizontal way. Same multiplication in a horizontal way. 18 into 15. So what did we do here? First step plus 18 plus 5 we are doing. It is 23. Next step is into. Which one we are multiplying? 8 into 5. It is 40. Same partition I have taken to make you understand. And 40. So now 23 plus 4 it is 27 and 0 as it is we are writing. It is 270. So 18 into 15 is 270. While practicing, you can go with the vertical method. Once you get the grip on multiplying by this method, you can go in the horizontal way of multiplication, second method. Now let's see one more example. 19 into 18. First step, we are doing plus operation. So 19 plus 8, it is 27. Addition. Now what we will be doing? 9 into 8, it is 72. And the next step is 27 plus 7, we are taking it to be as 34. And 2 as it is we will be writing. So 19 into 18 is 342. One more example, 17 into 19. You can try it on your own. 17 plus 9, 26. Addition, and the next step, 7 9s are 63. So 26 plus 6 is 32 and 3 as it is we are writing in the ones place. So 323 is the product of 17 and 19. One more example, 14 into 16. First step, 14 plus 6, 20. Partition, next step 4 6 24. So 20 plus 2 we will be taking it to be as 22 and 4 in the ones place as it is we are writing 4. So 14 into 16 is 224. You can practice the worksheet I am giving in the description. The link is been given. You can download and you can practice the same sums. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.